Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. Today again we'll take a look at the euro currency. But first I would like to remind you that we also keep an eye on the Great British Pound, because on the cable we have this very nice looking bearish setup, and we just wait for the minor retracement. On last week we have discussed on possible double repo buy that could be formed on the cable, but it hasn't been confirmed, and market just continuing the choppy action to the downside. In general, all the necessary conditions have been accomplished by the market, so trends have turned bearish. All that we just need on the Great British Pound and some minor retracement on the daily chart, but it can't quite start. So we're just waiting and waiting, but the market doesn't show any bounce yet. So as soon as the market will show it, we probably will try to take the short position on the Great British Pound, because the perspective of this trade is really significant, and the action on the pound could just promise us really nice direction, but for the considerable period of time. It's really very nice setup on the Great British Pound. So meantime, we will take a look at the euro currency. Although the changes are really minor here, but still they exist, and we will take a look at them. So first of all, take a look. The trend still stands bearish on the daily time frame chart, and if you trade on the daily and intraday time frames, your context is bearish for trading. This upward action that we have discussed yesterday currently starts to remind some kind of the consolidation, some kind of the maybe pennant, maybe some kind of the flag pattern, but definitely this sometimes some sort of the retracement from this move down. And guys, I still think it's still just my personal opinion that market really looks heavy, and personally I would bet on the bearish continuation rather than on the bullish reversal in the current situation. Market has failed to pass through the monthly pivot point again, has failed here, and right now stands in this downward action. So from the medium-term perspective, as we said yesterday, we still wait for the breakout of this area. This is significant, but for traders who trade on the daily time frame chart and the intraday time frames, they have the bearish context, and if you trade on this time frame pair, you could try to take the bearish position as soon as the market will shift intraday trends to the bearish side. So what we will be looking for on the euro currency during today's session. Also guys, just a couple of words on the news. So we will expect the Yellen press conference when she will ask on the questions on the Fed policy, and also we will expect Sabio's the non-farm payrolls release on Friday. So on the forward time frame chart, what do we have? Recall our yesterday discussion. We said this could be two possible scenarios of the downward action. First of all, market could complete this AB equals CD leg. Also, it could complete ABC bottom 1618 extension target right, and an area between the 50 and 60 618 fib levels. This is also weekly pivot resistance one. So that will be nice level to watch for if you're like to take the bearish position and you trade on the daily time frame chart. As soon as daily trend will remain bearish, and when, for example, the market will move here, it will be even better if market, for example, will form here the stop grabber. That will be just perfect. So if this will happen, daily trend will hold bearish, and if market will hit this level, start move to the downside, will shift trend bearish here as well, you could try to take the short position. That's our logic, and that's our plan here. Second possible scenario is if market will not complete this retracement, it will start move down. In this case, as soon as market will shift trend bearish here and will take out of these lows, you will be able also to think about the taking short position. In this case, market will move below the weekly pivot point. Right now, guys, in the nearest hours, you should watch for this possible stop grabber here. If this will be formed, in this case, another scenario could be possible. But as I say, this will be the same scenario with this level, but in this case, you will be watching for hourly chart, and on hourly chart, you could get something of that sort. So take a look at this chart. That's our yesterday butterfly. That is the new butterfly that could be formed here that has approximately the same target. It's 1336 approximately. But for that purpose, market should stay above these lows, because if market will taken out of these lows, you could see that three major events will happen on the intraday charts. First of all, this butterfly will be erased. Second, market will break through this support line, and this will be the breakout of this triangle to the downside. Third, market will shift 4-hour time frame trend bearish, will move below the weekly pivot point, and that will be bearish. In this case, as I said, as soon this candle will close, and if it will close somewhere in this area, we could start to think about taking the bearish position, because this significantly increases the chances of the possible further downward continuation. Because following market mechanics, guys, based on this ABCD pattern, market already has hit the 618 target. That has happened here. And market has continued on higher. In this case, market should reach this level. If market will not do this and doesn't do this, it means that something is wrong with this upward power. Since this retracement already here, this will be not quite reasonable, because market already has shown some, already has passed for the target, so it needs to continue move higher. And that action to the downside and moving below these lows will be absolutely irrational in the current development. It means that this ABCD pattern hardly will be completed, and hardly market will complete this minor ABCD 1618 target as well. If this will happen and market will drop below these lows, this will increase chances for the appearing of this some kind of the butterfly, or just the continuation with this ABC downward action, ABCD pattern. So reversal here on the 4-hour time frame chart will increase the chance the market will continue move right there. So that's what we will be watching for today and during today's session on the euro currency. But guys, if market will form the grabber here, keep watching and wait for the reaching of this level, and then you should act as we have discussed just a few minutes ago. If market will complete the grabber, will reach this area, then you should first control that the daily trend, bearish trend, survive. If it really will survive and hold the bearish trend here, you should wait when the 4-hour time frame trend will shift bearish, and only after that you could try to take the bearish position. So that's clear. So let's see what we will get. Probably, if we will get lucky, then probably tomorrow we'll be able to think about taking the short here.